Namaste. We are meeting again. Day before yesterday, one of the WhatsApp group member from Mumbai, a divine soul, sent me a typed message. On reading that message, I was little concerned about the people involved in controlling, treating, soothing, and giving real life to the people who are affected by this virus. The message was from a lady, a medical professional working in one of the very prominent hospital in Mumbai. She visited her apartments after a month, and it was a new world for her when she came out, and on the way she found something very funny to her dismay. She put all her feelings in a text message. That was a message which was sent by one of our divine souls from our WhatsApp group. I will read out the message as it is. Then we will discuss what is the outcome of that message. When I used to speak to my family and friends, they used to say that everyone is scared. But I came back home after more than a month for a few days of break, and I was appalled at what I saw in the colony. Nobody is scared. No one's lifestyle has changed. I am only more scared, maybe because I saw the reality. My colleagues in the hospital tested corona positive. This is even after wearing the PPE and taking all prescribed precautions. Here, people frequently go up and down, walk the stairs, go around the lawns without even a mask. People carelessly remove, and those that are wearing the mask are not wearing it properly. People carelessly remove the mask while they are talking to someone. They sneeze or cough in open, which defeats the purpose. Outside, the lockdown rules are very strict, so consider yourselves very lucky. If one person turns positive, then the whole atmosphere will change. Then you will have to be alone till fate decides your future. The civic authorities will seal your building. Once this happens, nobody will be allowed to come in or go out. The watch and ward supported by the police will sit there all the 24 hours and all the 7 days of the week. I am not creating any panic or paranoid, but explaining the fact. Just do the basics right. Do not take it so lightly. The situation has changed. We no more an individuals. We are now a community and need to look after one another. Even at home, when you get out of the room, wear a face mask. Limit your movements, wash your hands, and most importantly, wear a mask all times when out of the house. Live long and prosper. This message was very strong. Beyond giving the strong message, something was throbbing me, something was disturbing me, something was hurting me. Although usually I don't feel hurt, still the pain in taking care of someone at a very adverse condition is no doubt a painful affair. Although I am also a physician, for myself wearing a mask is difficult, no doubt in it. Think of those medical professionals who have to directly encounter the virus, the unseen enemy, unseen threatening virus. In between the patient and the coronavirus, the doctors, the medical professionals are really struggling, no doubt in it. You may be an actor, you may be an architect, you may be a builder, you may be a goldsmith, you may be a hairdresser, you may be an immigration officer, you may be a journalist. Like this, we can go on list from A to Z. That is not the point here. All this profession, all these people, right from A to Z, you are in any profession, any service, If you are attacked by coronavirus, you will have to go to the doctors. You will have to go and surrender there. Please keep in mind. Think of a situation when more people get infected. Now in India, for treating this less than 30,000 infected persons, the whole medical fraternity, the regulatory authorities, the law enforcing authorities, every individual, the ministers, the prime minister, the state ministers, the cabinet ministers, the civil service officers, the police officers, every individual, they have sleepless nights. Consider a situation, the virus spreads fivefold or sixfold. What will be the situation? Where it will lead us? What will the medical professionals will do? How they will handle? Their life is more miserable than anybody's. Look at my face. I am not wearing anything. Still I am sweating. Think of medical professionals. Think of the supporting staff. How they will be struggling. Are they not in the forefront of the war? What protection they have? They themselves are infected. They themselves are suffering. If we are not listening to them, then the God may not listen to us. This could be a fact. Let us not allow such thing to happen. Let us respect the law. Let us respect the advice of the medical professionals. Let us take the note from the police, law enforcing authorities, regulatory authorities, the guidelines given by the Home Department, Health Department, the Prime Minister and the state chief ministers and other ministers and other leaders. Let us not play ourselves into the hands of the coronavirus. Any one member getting into the family, the whole family will be suffering because that family will be segregated from others. It will look like a taboo. Let us not encourage any more carelessness. This apart, after receiving this message, after mentally going through the contents of it, I was thinking to myself with prayer to Mahavatar Babaji, what is the safety of the medical professionals? How can, in a very simple way, Babaji can help them? Babaji, the Mahan, the Mahavatar, has always been very gracious, very merciful, very kind, very compassionate. Today morning, yet again he revealed me a simple remedy for those medical professionals who trust in prayers, who trust in the Almighty, who trust in the grace of Mahavatar Babaji. All those can follow this across the world. As we followed in one of the previous video, this video is an exclusive video for the medical professionals across the world. In this video, there is a photograph of Mahavatar Babaji and there is an hidden mystical sign on right side and left side of Mahavatar Babaji's photo on the top portion, which will not be visible. If you enlarge, it will be visible. To know this particular remedy is for medical professionals and all medical supporting professionals, irrespective of their doctors, their nurses, their support staff, or directly and indirectly supporting medical researchers, the pharmacist, the medical shop personnel who support the cleaning staff, the housekeeping in charge, all those inside a hospital where some service is going on for the sake of patients. This very particular Mahavatar Babaji photo to indicate that is for this particular purpose, to the left side of Mahavatar Babaji or near his right toe, there will be two white dots that will indicate that this particular spiritual remedy, mystical remedy, divine intervention from Mahavatar Babaji is for medical related people to protect themselves and to protect those who have come to their umbrella. This will help in protecting all medical professionals, all patients who undergo treatment under such medical professionals also. The mystical yantra or the mystical element hidden in Mahavatar Babaji photo also contains a mystical rendering, a mantra which has been revealed to me today. These are all very old mantras, ancient mantras, somewhere floating in the air. Maybe Babaji would have picked up and given to me for spreading it to the cause of saving and supporting the medical professionals. The mantra should be repeated early in the morning and before going to bed, if at all you have time to go to bed, because most of the medical professionals are having sleepless nights and sleepy days. This mantra you can repeat as many times as possible, 1 time, 3 times, 11 times, 21 times or 108 times, whatever is possible. There is no limit for it. But 1 time in the morning and 1 time in the evening, or 3 times in the morning and 3 times in the evening will encompass your whole body, whole being and protect you from several bad things which can attack you. I will repeat this mantra. Om Jom Saha Mam Palai Palai. Om Jom Saha Mam Palai Palai. Om Jom Saha Mam Palai Palai. This is a very powerful mantra which was revealed to me. The yantra is hidden in the photo. Time being, take a copy of the photo in whichever print form is available. If print is not available, no problem. You can keep it on your mobile and have the darshan of Mahavatar Babaji as and when it is necessary, at least once or twice a day. Early morning when you wake up, you can see once, and evening before you go to rest, see in between any number of times whenever you want to invoke the power of Mahavatar Babaji. This particular mantra also has been given in the slide so that you can see and write down. Don't stick to the too much of rules. The mistakes and errors and omissions will be accepted by the divinity. Share this one across your medical professionals, whoever trust, those people who are more scientific oriented, who do not see the intervention of divine as a part of our life, need not be shown this one. Those medical professionals who feel and who trust that 99% is our efforts and 1% grace, that 1% only when added makes it 100% as a result. Only for such of those people this has been made. Across the world, please share this information. Please share this video. It will protect you. It will protect your patients. It will protect your surroundings. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.